Creating a WordPress website is easy, but you will agree with me that if you have a project given to you by your clients or even your own personal project, finding the right design for the project can be sometimes the most difficult and the most challenging task when creating a WordPress website, especially if you know nothing about designing. I've been a graphic designer for over 9 years and I started WordPress web design 4 years ago with about 41 completed projects as at this time February 2021. When I started creating websites, I've never had issues with the designs of my website. My client always falls in love with the website at the very first glance. Well, I guess you'd understand why I never had issues. It's obviously because I've been in this design industry for over 9 years. So I apply the knowledge of graphic designs to website designs. Pretty easy for me, right? Most of us have got rejected web design just because of the look. Also, many of us tend to spend almost half the money for the project on platforms like TeamForest and the likes, buying themes and templates. Well, I've got good news. If you're watching this right now, hit the subscribe button because starting this week, I will be uploading free custom built Elementor templates on this channel. You are going to get everything that makes up a website: the header, the footer, the home page, the about us page, the services page, the portfolio page, the blog page, the contact page, and so on for free. You'll be able to download the template and use it for any project at all. I will be walking you through step by step on how to customize the template to fit your project. The benefit of this template is that you will be able to work really fast, you'll be able to save costs, and also you'll be able to earn more from your clients when given a project. So instead of buying any WordPress theme from TeamForest or any other platform out there, all you need to do is go to your back end in WordPress and then install any WordPress theme, including the Hello theme or the Astra theme, any WordPress theme at all from your WordPress back end. And then all you need to do is download the Elementor templates from our platform and make use of it anytime, any day on any project at all. All I ask in return is for you to please like and comment on each and every template that I upload on this channel, and be sure to subscribe so you get notified whenever I upload new content. That is all, guys. I'll see you on the next free template that I upload. Have a nice day.